This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your active status on the LinkedIn app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the LinkedIn app. To enable or disable your active status, you want to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Now on this page, you want to tap on Visibility. Then you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the section on Visibility of your LinkedIn activity. You want to tap on the very first thing, Manage Active Status. And it says who can see that you are currently active while you are using LinkedIn. Nobody, your connections only, are all LinkedIn members. You could toggle any one of those three on. As you can see, I currently have no one. My activity status is turned off. But that is how you enable or disable your active status on the LinkedIn app. Thanks for watching.